All right, so everybody been asking me where the Cadillac. I'm finna show you where the Cadillac is at and what state it's in. Still got a lot of stuff to do to it, but I definitely need to give you guys an update. So it is coming. It's just gonna take a little time, but hopefully within the next couple of weeks or so from you watching this video, it'll be out on the streets. And then come winter, I could do the real stuff that I want to do to it. But my main goal is just to get it out of this driveway, driving around so I can hit the streets. So let me show you what's up with it and where I'm at on it. And I show some other videos of some of the progress. So stay tuned. All right, so let me show you what I got left to do. All right, now I got to take out the carpet. Got a brand new carpet. So, and I'll go ahead and leave the link to some of this stuff in the description. Then I just took out my horn button. For this, I need to polish this up, take this off, polish that up, resurface this, but I got to paint the column because that's that old color. And we need to go with a color that's something like this. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. I got the system pretty much in old speaker, but I got some replacements. So I got those on both sides. And I'm definitely going to have to take this to the stereo shop to go ahead and have them build me a little deck back there for these. And I'm running 5 1/4s, 4 5 1/4s. What are these right here? 4x6s, Scar Audios in there. And then in the back, we're gonna come over here. I got a single 10 Pioneer 5-channel amp, but that has to also come out because I got a bad RCA jack in there. So I got some new ones. And also, I got a brand new box. One of them Q-Bomb boxes. Little single 10, and I'm gonna go ahead and shove back there and mount that up good. Then what else? After that, I'm gonna go ahead and do a 4-pump, 8 battery setup, but that's gonna come after I get this thing out because I need to get it out as soon as I can. Then right here, we're finna walk over here real quick and excuse my garage. But I got this there. So I need to go ahead and cover this, and this is all the stuff that I'm going to be doing, which is it's some work. And there's my carpet. So I got the new carpet ready. I got some extra material for the door panels from L Seat, and that's the only way that you can match those seats is if you actually buy their stuff. And some other Scar Audio stuff. I don't even know what that is. And I got parts all over the place. Then I have to go ahead and get my seats cleaned up so I can throw those in. And I got a headliner somewhere in here, but I have to replace the headliner. But I found a, what you call that thing? Let me switch this around. But I found a sunroof, and I just have to get over there and take it out. Because, yeah, we're going to do a sunroof. I think it's a 38. It might be a 42. Something, I don't know. But it's one of the OG sunroofs. I think it's really a 38. But I got the beauty ring and everything on it. So I was like, hey, I'm going to go ahead and buy that. And when I go check it out, hopefully they got the headliner in there. So I can go ahead and kill all that with one shot. But we're going to flip this back around. Now, I do have to redo those. But they could probably just be cleaned up. But all this stuff was pretty much new when I first went into the shop. All this stuff was super clean. Door panels clean, but I got to get those redone too, and I'm just tired of doing them. I did it the first time, and I'm just tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the door panels redone. I got to put some. They have some new dry stuff that you put on that felt for the windows to make them roll up faster. I'm gonna do a separate video on that to show you if it works or if it don't work. And that'd just be separate. Some of the stuff, me installing the carpet, I'll be on separate videos. But this is just to give you guys kind of a update on where the car is at and what I got to do to it. But it's coming out though. It's coming out. Then I have to take it to my boy G to do the moldings right there because they didn't come out right. So it'll be safer to just give him the car and go ahead and put the moldings on, and then I'll be rolling.